Welcome back to another Media Chimps tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about how to make a post for your Google listing from your Google business profile. When people are searching for your business, the first thing they're going to do is Google you. Now, usually people think of the website as where people will discover you, learn about you and see everything, but the first result they're actually going to get is your SERP result. So a SERP result is this little box here, is your Google listing, your Google business profile. When you search up Media Chimps, immediately we come up and you get this information here. And you've also got posts. Now, posts is what we're going to talk about today because it's a very, very important aspect of your Google listing and the results that come up when you search. So as you can see here, there's lots of posts. We've got things talking about a special offer, other content, which you can see here. You can see the recent posts here. You can see it says 2 days ago. So that shows that we have been active and been posted on Google. It makes you seem a lot more reliable because it shows that you're posting, you're putting time into it. You're not just a business with no face. To make a post for your Google listing is very, very simple. First up, you need to go into your Google Business Profile Manager. When you first log in, you will immediately see all of the different businesses that you manage. And we're going to click into Media Chimps here. So in Media Chimps here, this is your business account. And to make a post, you want to go into Posts on the left-hand side. Here you can see our posts, and you're also able to add posts using this blue circle here. So there's lots of different types of posts you can make. The first being a COVID-19 update, meaning that if you are changing your opening hours, if there's any issues, anything COVID related going on, you can make an update there and it'll come up. So you would type whatever you want in the box here, and then the option which you have on all of these posts is to add a button. So all of these, when you click on them, you put the link. So the type of button you choose doesn't matter too much because at the end it's whatever link that you put in, the viewer will be taken to. So click whichever button is applicable or none, and you would make your post. Offer is another type. For this one you have the option to add a photo or video because if you have a product on offer, a sale going on, then you can add the image there. Got the title, and then the start and end date if it's a limited time, and there's the option to add more details there. What's new is the type of post that we use most commonly. This is basically just an update post. So you have the option to add a photo or video, just a little bit of writing on your post, and then you've got your button. You then have the event post, which lets you add photos and videos, the title, the date and the time, and then you can add more details if you wish to, and then you can again add a button. And lastly, you can post a product. So here you don't have the option to add video, it's only photos. Put in the product name, the category, which you do have to create yourself, the price, description, and then again, the button. One consistency between all of these post types is that you can always preview. So let's say I wanted to make a post as a general update post. What I would do here is I would add my photo, which will take a second to upload. Once it is uploaded, I would write my post. And then I want to add a button, and I just want it to say learn more, and then it will be a link to the Media Chimps website. Cool. So I wouldn't just post this, it's always best practice to preview. And that shows how it will show up now. Obviously that image is getting cut off, which isn't great. The full image will be shown when they actually click on the post, but that's how the preview will render, so that's important to keep in mind. And you can also test the link here. So if I click learn more, that has taken us to the Media Chimps website. I could now publish that. So if I went to Google, just refresh this page. Now when I look at our posts, 6 seconds ago, hello world with the Media Chimps logo there, and I can click on to learn more, and again will take me back to the Media Chimps website.